baraka zishuke kama chombo zikuangukie. Hi guys, how you doing? Merry Christmas, it's time. I know guy, hii mwaka imekuwa hivi, imeenda kama blink, especially the last quarter. Me I don't know, kuna kuanga na kadhiori mwaka ikibo inaendanga pole pole, ama uko na stress, uko na depression, uko na nini, unaona December itaifika, then September, November, October, December, hizo miezi zinaendanga ni kama zinakunywa maji tu hivi, hazitaki kujua. But anyways, how are you guys doing? I am doing so good. I'm doing so great, man. It's been a while since I went back to regular vlogging because I've been showing you like the drafts za graduation nini, but si ati imekuwa kitambo sana, kama a week or two. So I am back, and this time, you know, as usual, we are the Kimathis family. We are about to throw it down in the kitchen. You know it. Anyways, I have a lot to catch you up on, but zingine hazitapostiwa hii mwaka ni 2025. I have a haul to show you. Kama hii top nimevaa, mkijua bei ya hizi vitu mtashanga. And my hair, ukijua hii imenifikia aje ama nimeifanyia nini, mtashtuka. A girl has been doing new things, great things, you know. Nimekuwa out there nikijaribu ku try out kila kitu. Lucky, we buka chini, unaenda wapi? Tabia mbaya. Kunifungia macho. Anyways, nimekuwa nikifanya a lot of things to enrich my knowledge, learning, you know, a lot of stuff. So, but today it's a Christmas vlog, and we are gonna do that. Sai tunaenda kwa kitchen. Already mmeona tuko na juice, tuko na nini. Hadi sitaki kuwapea spoiler. I'll just post the menu over here, then you see it. Yeah, then I'll take you through every single step of it. Yeah, without further ado, let's continue the vlog. But remember to subscribe, turn on the post notifications to get notified every time I post a new video. Abo munipe likes kidogo tu pia, alafu comment down below. Hata kama ni love heart, some say hi, I say hi too, you know, just do something to boost my content. Thank you so much for almost 500 of you. Yes, nimewabembeleza. But anyway, ni sawa. Let's continue the vlog. So we got some ingredients, that is mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. Nothing here is sponsored. So sikuwa na time ya kwanza kutoa mabrand makaratasi nini, but anyways, we also got some toppings for the pizzas. So that is some nyama bite, bacon, ham, tukatafuta nini ingine, chicken. There was a lot of stuff. Some sweet pepper, the yellow one and the red one, which is usually not bitter, by the way, it's sweet as the name suggests. We also got some spices, some pizza sauce. Here in spices, by the way, kuna the hot one na this one. I had a mixture of spices. Hapa kulikuwa na turmeric, kulikuwa na paprika, kulikuwa na pepper, kulikuwa na other things that I cannot remember. Some flour for the pizza dough, and also definitely it's pizza, you need some dry yeast, and kuna no beef cubes from Royco yako na spices supu sana, by the way, that are very flavorful. And lastly but not least, I had marinated some chicken the previous night, so zikalala kwa refrigerator overnight, do kila kitu ingia ndani, kila kitu ikue mzuri na yummy. So immediately in the morning after getting ready and going for service, we grated some cheese, yani generally preparing the ingredients for the pizza. And also since we are having pizza, potatoes and some chicken meat, tulikuwa tuna prepare kila kitu pamoja. And my mom was on breakfast duty with some samosas that she makes. The best, man. Nakwanga tamu sana. Ajali kidogo ikatendeka, nikajikata, so I had to use a knife kukatakata cheese yangu, sababu amkusema hii kitu ni hard ku grate. Cheese nakwanga ngumu ku grate, sijui kwa nini. Then I sliced up some sweet pepper, nikaweka kando, nikakatakata nyama bite, nikaweka kando, nikakatakata bacon, nikakatakata some chicken, zenye nilikuwa nimemarinate, nikachukua some pieces zenye ziko fleshy, nikazikatakata into small cubes. Yani I diced everything into smaller portions so that I can use them as toppings. So for the chicken, I marinated it with some soy sauce, spices zote zenye ziko kwa nyumba, sikumbuki kina mixed spices, beef masala, chicken masala. Yani niliekwa neka kuweka tu. Kitu si kuweka ni salt, sababu salt inafanyangi inakuwa na maji mingi, alafu ina ooze out. Alafu pia unaweka some oil, ndio kila kitu stick together. Hizi ni zile chicken za broiler, so they do not take long to cook. Nika fry za pizza, hizi zingine nilikuwa na paku bake. It was so tempting. Zikiiva ni tamu kai. Nilikuwa na umauma hapo, nikaona nitamaliza ingredients. Then for the rest, tukaweka some pineapples in a baking tray, tukamwaga the chicken, tukaweka some pineapples, alafu tukaongeza some spices juu kidogo and some salt. Hapa ndo nili drizzle salt. The pineapples helped to give like the sweet and tenderness of the meat. Yeah. Then we made some potato wedgies to go in the oven as well. So for the potatoes, I blanched them first with a lot of water, with a lot of salt. I let them like boil for around 10 minutes. Nika hadi 10 ni mingi, haikufika hadi 10. Nilieka tu salt na nikaeka hiyo beef cube, not beef, chicken cube, and some turmeric. Actually nilikuja kujua si turmeric nilitumia, ni bizari. Bizari ni nini kwa Kiswahili? Kizungu that is. Yeah. And my meat ilikuwa inaenda vizuri. From time to time I had to turn a few of them, juu zilikuwa kubwa, they had to cook all through kila moja. After blanching, I drained out the excess water, alafu the mixture ya spices nilieka oil, alafu ndo nikazi drizzle on the potatoes. They came out so good, they were so sweet, they were so delicious, guys. The dough was made by blooming the yeast first with some warm milk or warm water, it depends. Then you add some salt into your flour and mix everything up, knead it to a soft dough. Then unaacha ina rest for a while. Then you just partition your dough into the amount of portions that you really want, depending with the size of the crust that you want. Kama unataka thick, thin, whatever man, ama kama ni large, small, medium, weke ni unataka tu. One thing that you should not do, by the way, it's do not over manipulate the dough. If ni roll out, what you roll out once. Usifinya sana, itaacha kukua airy. You can spread out using a rolling pin or with your hands, it does not matter. Then afterwards, put the toppings in. First you start with the sauce, then you go to some cheese, then the toppings that you want, then you top it up with mozzarella. Mozzarella becomes stringy when it's melted, so that's the best cheese. Cheddar inashikanisha pia ni tamu, lakini it's not stringy like mozzarella. And also you need to look into the types of cheeses that do not melt, kama kina pania, kuna mingi, then they do not melt even under heat, so then zinatumikanga kwa salads too. So when you buy cheese, be careful of what kind of cheese you're buying. Buy mozzarella if you want a safe buy, or Gouda, or I don't know if pania really works, but yeah. So we had 5 flavors of pizzas. That is the Hawaiian with some ham. That is, we had meat deluxe with all types of meats on them, and veggies, that's the sweet pepper, and what else I can't remember, and chicken na ingine ilikuwa freestyle. Then on the day before, I had made some fresh juice from, one was a mixture of melon and some mango, sweet mango, and the other was a tropical feel, that is pineapple and passion fruit. And after you blend, please do not serve people juice yenye uja sieve your juice. Why are you, mbona unataka to sieve na mdomo? Just sieve your juice. Ebuona, after kusieve blake smooth, this is the pineapple and passion juice. Best. Yani ndo ilikuwa na mashabiki. Nikayapack kila kitu kwa chupa ndo niweke ndani, and of course we had to do a toast. Afterwards everything was ready and we enjoyed our meals. Oh my god, I have added a lot of weight. I now need to start shedding it again. The pizza came out so good. They were charred on the top, alafu ziko crispy na kwa crust. Everything was cooked all through. It was buttery and soft, especially the dough. It was so good.
The next day,
ndio kutafuta leftovers. Mautamu tu. And some pizza. Abaya wazemia. For 26th, that is today actually, we heated up some leftovers because who is about to cook again? Not me. No. So yeah, this is what we are having. We did not eat the potatoes the previous day, so we had the potatoes and some chicken and the pizza that remained, and we had Mary. The next time that I'm gonna be making some chicken recipe again, I'll try a new different method. I tried it with beef, that is sweet and sour beef. I'll try it with here. Alafu pia try barbecue chicken instead. Alafu nitawapost here. But anyways, everything turned out so good. I didn't have ketchup, so I used tomato sauce. regardless, it's love. Come to the end of the video, so if you do not subscribe, please subscribe and turn on post notifications. Leave me a like and a comment, and then I will see you on the next one. Kama kawaida, I love you. Mwah.